I'm Jatin Chaudhary. I'm the co-founder of Echa Network. We host engaging startup networking meetups in 25 global startup cities. This particular show is Business Roller Coaster, where we invite all our founder friends to come and share their ups and downs about building a business. And for this particular show, we have Darshit, who's joining us from Rajkot. Darshit is the MD of Renova Life Sciences. So Darshit, thank you so much for joining.
Thank you, Jatin bhai. How are you?
बस जलसा so Darshit bhai, if you can tell us a little more about Renova Life Sciences, what are the things you do, what when it was started?
Yeah, I would say a very brief about what we do. We are into pharmaceutical formulations. We have done a lot of forward and backward integration since the start of the company. We are into marketing, we are into exports, we are into manufacturing, we are into contract manufacturing. So multiple levels of pharmaceuticals that are applicable to any pharmaceutical company, we are there in that vertical. We are specializing into ophthalmics and dermatology.
Okay. And what's the founding story when it was started?
Founding story is something like when I graduated and did my post graduation, I was not very sure what I'm going to do. I had done a very brief project on how to start a pharmaceutical company as a part of my MBA final thesis.
Wow.
So I stuck to that, and I actually got the help of my family members to implement the knowledge that I had got while doing that whole project. So that is how I started up. We started up very small with a very small fund and a very small geographical location. And then over a period of time, we ventured into multiple areas.
And that was in which year?
That was in 2005.
So it's 15 years.
Yes, it's 15 years. Long story.
Yeah. And Darshit bhai, so entrepreneurship is about making choices. In last 15 years, which were those critical choices you made that put you in a growth trajectory?
The first choice that we had was to shift from a very local vendor to a national level vendor. That was the first choice. We felt that the local vendors would be the right people who can give us the quantities that we can afford for. But over a period of time, we understood that if we want to be a good player and a national level player, we need to shift our choices. So that was the first choice which paid us. Second was to get into the exports. By the time we were not even working on a full-fledged domestic market, we got an opportunity to showcase our company in the export field, and luckily that paid off. And as of now, 90% of our turnovers come from export markets. The third important point was to have our own manufacturing facility. That decision we took in 2016, and believe me, once we had our own unit, the whole paradigm shifted. So these were the choices that we had to do, and luckily, those were the choices which helped the company grow. I'm not saying that all the choices that we did always boosted us. There were wrong choices that we did, which pulled us back. But again, the right choices were there, which helped us to regain the status or the position that we had.
Darshit bhai, you had mentioned that yours is the largest pharmaceutical company in Saurashtra.
Yeah.
We'll do a rapid fire where probably you can give quick answers to it. Which has been the happiest moment of your entrepreneurial journey?
My father joining my company, leaving his own business, and he came to join my company was the happiest moment and a proud moment for a son that the family members have accepted that we are doing well and they are joining our company. That was the happiest moment of my life.
This is brilliant. And which has been the most difficult moment and how did you come out from it?
Difficult moment was actually we had a partner who left the company in 2015, and we felt that he was one of the important pillar of the company. He left us, and at that moment of time, we were in a very say pitiable state. But having that belief that we still can do better, and the rest three directors will once again started from scratch. and that is how we regained our position.
And we talk a lot about learnings from failure. So which is that one thing where you feel that you could have done differently?
Frankly, I didn't come across anything like I failed, but there were some wrong choices that I made which could have been better. For example, there were certain moments wherein we had an offer from good multinational companies to work with, and just to have that independent character of the company, we said we don't want to work with you. If we had said yes, we could have been a larger company by now.
And Darshit bhai, what is the advice that you may want to give your younger self? Darshit starting up 2005. Now, what advice Darshit of 2020s want to give?
First thing is to be at the right point at the right time with the right kind of product.
Yeah. And
Probably Philip Kotler also says that. Probably any marketing guru would also say that, and I also firmly believe
so it is
that
actually
is
true.
the most important point.
And Darshit, which is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Steve Jobs by Watterson.
And if you were not running Renova Life Sciences, what else you would have been doing?
I would have been into an IT company in an HR department.
And which particular activity you enjoy doing the most in Renova?
First is the product planning. Second is the strategy making, and third one is grooming the right kind of talent.
Entrepreneurship is a very humbling experience. So, in most, which is the most recent favor you had to ask from someone?
I should not disclose this, but there is a very close friend in a multinational with whom we are trying to engage, but somehow that is not happening. So I asked a favor that whether you can help me getting those internal informations, whether they are going to work with us or not.
I also asked a lot of favors to you when we were starting up our Rajkot chapter, and thank you so much for that. That's it. And if you were to describe your entrepreneurial journey in one word, what that word would be?
Absolutely fantastic journey it has been for all these 15 years. I particularly feel happy because whatever we studied during our MBA days, we have been able to implement in one or another manner into the company. As of now, if we take out Philip Kotler and start any chapter, I can relate we have done this in our entrepreneurship. So that is the happiest moment that I feel that we have been blessed to have that opportunity.
And that's why should people join Echai?
Echai has been a wonderful platform wherein you come across a lot of people of your level having that itch, having that different character to do something new in the market. And if we can join that network, we would get a lot of things and we would be able to share certain things which can be helpful to others. So Echai has been a wonderful platform since its inception, and I hope I have at least got say 15 to 20 strong friends from Echai with whom in one way or other we discuss things and we get a lot of feedbacks, positive feedback.
Thank you so much, and we wish you all the best.